Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create QR code for location in Google Maps. And it's quite simple. Alright, let's say we want to send a location or a secret location in a QR code. Then we need to search for a place. So let's say if I'm holding my cursor just right here, he's creating a pin. And right now if I go to this sign and then do copy link, this link copy to my clipboard. Then we go to QR Monkey and then we need to fill in our URL just right there. And then we can create colors if we want to. Now let's say we want to make it red or something. Now then we can do that. Now we can also choose the size that we want. Now we can also add a logo image if you want to. Now let's say Facebook, or let's say now maybe something like this. Yeah, for now it's not necessary, so remove logo. I don't like that logo. Now, and we can do customize design, something like this. Then we can do create code. Right now it's red. No, I don't like the red color, sorry, I like black more. Now then do create again. Then we can do download image. He's generating, and right now here is the QR code. And right now if I take my camera, so let's go here, camera, and I scan this QR code, click on Google Maps, he will send me exactly to that roundabout where you can find the location. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.